Welcome back to my channel, you guys. So today, many people are gonna be on my vlog. This cutie, you might know him already.
Piojoso.
That's messed up. Anyways, Eric, you know him already. Introduce yourself.
I'm Jasmine's friend,
Which is your name?
Haley.
What?
Introduce yourself.
What? They already know me. What?
I'm just Jasmine's cousin.
AKA Gigi. So you guys, every time we come here like to visit them, I don't know, we always have good luck with like lottery tickets. I was like, damn, you guys, imagínense que we go back home y pinches ricos. Imagine that, like, I only won $20. Well, I didn't know how much I had won because I don't know how to play this game. So the guy's like, oh, it's a brand new thing. I don't know, but I just won $20. So that's cool. And today, what are we making, you guys?
Slime.
Yep, we're making slime. I always wanted to try making slime. All right, so come on, girls. What are we gonna?
Look, we have this little girl.
Look at this small thing.
Hey,
It's so small.
how
Little
dare you
turtle.
come?
All right. So what's the first step to making slime, you guys?
We had to glue.
All right, we're gonna need some glue, and we also need I think it's called suavitel, downy. I don't know.
Yeah.
So a little bit of glue. We got the glittery one, the glow in the dark. So it'll be better. What else do we need, you guys? Come on, come over here.
Yeah, we had to do it here.
Damn, you guys, this is such a messy. Okay.
We had to do it here.
They said we need some of this shaving gel. How much? A little or a lot?
I'll mix it.
Right there.
Can I mix it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jasmine. Want me to hold the turtle? Sure.
Can you put it back in the water?
Oh wait, yeah.
Look at her little diadema. It's so cute.
I should just lie too.
All right, we're also gonna add some baby oil in a container, and as you guys can see, you guys, it's such a messy project. Look at all this.
Hey, we already made slime, so.
So
So you guys are gonna mix it all up.
Yeah.
So you wanna show them the little turtle? It is. It's so small. So cute.
That's Emily.
Such a cutie pie. All right, so let's see how this comes out. Hopefully we don't stain our clothes, cause if not,
I'm not gonna wear this
we're gonna
clothes,
get
I
in
don't
trouble, you
care.
guys, and I don't want that. So I'm gonna show you guys how she's mixing everything up.
How?
and then we'll need this a little bit.
Oh, and
yeah,
then we're
put
gonna
some-
hold on.
Phone.
Oh my god, it's so sticky, you guys.
Should put some in there.
ASMR.
Then we'll need
ASMR.
a little bit of this.
Put unicorn in it. We don't need it. Oh, wait. Actually, we need it.
But you should show them this one.
Why?
So we're gonna add some of this to our slime. We already did, and we're gonna use. Hold on.
About the other one.
We're gonna add some
Unicorn poop.
unicorn poop.
Oh my god, no. Can't
All right,
it.
so we're gonna mix
So
everything up, you
unicorns
guys.
are real.
About
My
the other
statement
are.
is true, Tony.
one. Jasmine, about the other one.
Oh no, put it back, Gigi. That's the boy one.
How do you know?
Cause I know which one's bigger.
The boy's bigger.
So yeah, you guys. Today we're having we're celebrating
making
my
slime
cousin's 18th
already.
birthday. So Danny, hope you have so much fun today.
What? My brother, Danny?
Yeah.
The thing's so sticky.
It's on my shirt.
Take it off.
All right. We're almost done, you guys.
No, my shirt is a mess.
So they already got started on their slime.
So I'm gonna just slip it.
Came out good. My cousin, she had a paint on her, and this became a disaster. It's so messy. She got her finger stained, but it came out really good, you guys.
Yeah,
I don't want to touch it because I don't want to touch it, and I already got some on my hand.
Yay, that's
no.
good.
Let me see. What else do you need to add?
For what?
I think more.
Just.
A
Are you
little
sure?
bit. Hey,
So it's slime.
Haley.
Slime.
Seems like it's good.
Hey, where's the slime?
Eric, show us your slime.
I guess I'll
No,
touch
but
it.
your fingers are going to
Oh my
No,
god,
look.
it is so sticky. You need to add
No,
more
no.
stuff.
No.
Then you guys, this slime is
I dumped it down.
sticky.
Wow.
It is sticky.
So I guess
I'm
we're
not
gonna
done
add more
mixing.
products to this.
We need more of this. Yeah, we need more.
No.
Yeah.
So sticky.
No.
Little kids are so smart. They learn how to make their own slime. I guess I'm gonna add a little bit more of this. And you guys,
What? What is
this is a glow in the dark. So at night,
The poop.
if I play with my
It looks like
slime, it's gonna be glowing in the dark.
You should do 3 a.m. challenge.
Huh?
You should do a 3 a.m. challenge.
Oh,
No.
I already did that.
Really?
No, I didn't.
I did a 3 a.m. ASMR, I think ASMR.
What does that mean?
Like you gotta be like whispering, not screaming or loud.
Oh, I could do that.
And then you get to make some noise.
Last time I went on 3 a.m. without saying anything.
That nice?
I was so
Anything.
sad.
You guys, this freaking, it feels like a freaking burger. Like mi moco. Se está cayendo mi moco. Oh my god, so slimy, you guys. The unicorn poop. Look, imagine there were burgers out of my mouth, out of my nose and my mouth.
Okay, go to the dark.
Alright, I guess I'm gonna show you guys.
It does.
Look at this. Disaster. Alright, let's.
Come.
Let me see it.
Don't do that. That one's broken.
Let me see. Alright, be careful. Let me see. Let me see it. I wanna. Oh, get out. Get out now. Just kidding. I'm just kidding, you guys. Come on, Tony.
How rude.
I'm just kidding. You guys know I love you guys.
Yeah.
Then can you guys see that? I know you can't really see, but
Now can I get this one?
hold on. Can you guys see my finger? It glows in the dark. Alright. Ah. That sounds, it feels so good, you guys.
Say that to my circle slime.
It feels like this is coconut. These are coconut bits. Right? It feels like they're coconut bits.
You guys, why am I wearing a sweater? Because it's so freaking cold over here, you guys.
Not
Like,
even.
it's so cold.
Not even.
It's fresh. Actually.
Let's go pull the
It
trampoline.
feels so good.
Yeah.
But then you guys, look what a freaking mess they made just to make slime. Oh, it feels so good. Can you guys hear that popping sound? And that's how you make slime, I guess. But look at all these little bolitas, the foam coming out. It feels so good, you guys. Can you guys hear the popping sound? Bloopers. Can you see all that foam coming out? That freaking camera makes me seem like I'm so fat, but I'm not. Like, look at all that. It's just my sweater is so huge. I don't know why, for some reason I freaking love using like big sweaters. So yeah, you guys, I guess I'm about to end this video because mira, it's all messy and stuff, you guys. Oh my god, I don't know if it should be called a slime fail or what. So you guys, since I told you guys I don't really ever wear my marriage ring, in the morning I was sleeping and my husband put my ring on, and him too. Like, he put it on this hand when it's supposed to be on the opposite. One time I was like, oh, I'm gonna wear my ring, whatever. I put it on my right hand and it felt so weird. I was like, I don't know if it feels so weird because I haven't worn it in a long time, but I don't know, but yeah. Look at them, they're so cute. They remember me. Aww, I miss them. So you guys, my cousin has a big trampoline.
Yeah, look at mine.
And they're having so much fun. Look at them. A ver si no lo rompen. It makes me happy to see them having fun. What's up? Huh? I'm gonna wear this. Whoa. Such a cute thing. It has like shells and flowers and glitter. Oh wait, I didn't put it right. And these little dangly stuff.
You would never do it. On a count of three. I know how to do it. Okay. No, Justin, you can't do that. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Alright, you guys, I guess I'm gonna end this video already. Because I need to start getting ready for the party. You guys, this is what I don't like about coming over here because that's a really scary sound.
No, that is for the spot of the bomb, I think. It's coming close, I think.
We're gonna die? Is she just telling me we're gonna die? Something about a bomb?
Go inside!
Oh my god, you guys, I'm getting scared. I don't wanna die.
Go inside!
You guys, that thing, I think it's a alarm. I don't know what the hell. They always do it because in case there's a flood or something going on, they put that thing so everyone could be aware like something's going on and like they need to go to a really safe place. Alright, you guys, I guess I was wrong. They do it so to test it out. But also, in case something ever does happen, like they'll like turn it on and let everyone know something's going on. Damn, you guys are probably tired of watching this, but my cousin, she was craving banana with chocolate, and I was so nice enough to go to the store and make like a lot of stuff for her. This does not look so good. I freaking love these pretzel with chocolate. Shout out to her again because she let me stay at at her house. Hi. So cute. I'm gonna be like that song. Hey, voy a traer el pelo suelto. I'm just kidding, you guys. Wow. Alright, I guess I'll see you guys till my next video.